Welcome to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Leaks about the DJI Mavic 4 Pro have been surfacing across the internet lately, fueling speculation and excitement among drone enthusiasts and content creators alike. From sneaky test footage to what appears to be official promotional material, the upcoming drone has been making waves. The latest leak, a so-called beta tester video shared by well-known leaker Jasper Ellens, offers some tantalizing glimpses of the highly anticipated successor to the Mavic 3 Pro. The 41-second clip, which recently appeared online, showcases the drone landing, its body adorned with prototype-style stickers that obscure some identifying details. While the official name isn't entirely clear in the footage, the signature circular camera housing that has been rumored for months is visible in plain sight. This unmistakable design element all but confirms that we are indeed looking at DJI's next flagship consumer drone. Zoom capabilities and camera setup. One of the most exciting revelations from the leaked footage is the new zoom shortcut options visible in the user interface. The video displays three distinct zoom levels: 1x, 2.5x, and 6x, which aligns with previous rumors suggesting that the Mavic 4 Pro will feature a primary wide-angle camera, a medium telephoto lens, and a long telephoto lens. Interestingly, earlier leaks from December by another credible source, Igor Bogdanov, suggested different zoom settings of 1x, 3x, and 7x. This discrepancy indicates that DJI is still refining the camera system during beta testing. It's common practice for companies to fine-tune specifications based on feedback and performance evaluations. DJI may be experimenting with different sensor combinations or optimizing the image processing pipeline to strike the perfect balance between image quality and usability across various shooting conditions. Vertical video recording. A game changer. One of the most significant rumored upgrades in the Mavic 4 Pro is the inclusion of vertical video recording capabilities. This feature, if confirmed, will be a game changer for content creators who have had to rely on drones like the DJI Mini 3 Pro or the Mini 4 Pro to capture social media-friendly vertical shots. By integrating vertical video functionality into the Mavic 4 Pro, DJI is poised to offer creators a more versatile, all-in-one solution that eliminates the need for multiple drones. This would allow users to effortlessly switch between traditional landscape formats and portrait modes optimized for platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Flight performance enhancements. Beyond camera capabilities, the Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to bring notable improvements in flight performance. Leaks suggest enhanced wind resistance and longer battery life compared to its predecessor, the Mavic 3 Pro. These upgrades could make the Mavic 4 Pro a more compelling option for professional aerial photographers and videographers who require extended flight times and stable performance in challenging weather conditions. The improved battery life is particularly exciting for those who rely on drones for extended shooting sessions, potentially reducing the number of spare batteries needed and increasing overall efficiency in the field. Enhanced wind resistance will also appeal to professionals who frequently operate their drones in unpredictable outdoor environments. Image processing and sensor improvements. Speculation surrounding the Mavic 4 Pro's camera system extends beyond zoom levels. There are whispers of DJI incorporating advanced image processing capabilities, possibly leveraging AI-driven features for improved object tracking, automated flight paths, and enhanced low-light performance. Additionally, rumors suggest that DJI may be introducing larger sensors across all three lenses, which would lead to better dynamic range, improved low-light sensitivity, and overall superior image quality compared to the Mavic 3 Pro. These improvements would further cement DJI's dominance in the consumer and professional drone markets. Potential AI-powered features. Given DJI's history of integrating cutting-edge technology into its drones, it's likely that the Mavic 4 Pro will include a host of AI-powered features to enhance the flying experience. Potential features could include smart subject tracking. Enhanced tracking capabilities to follow moving subjects with increased accuracy, useful for action shots and dynamic filming. Obstacle avoidance upgrades. More advanced obstacle detection and avoidance sensors, providing a higher degree of flight safety in complex environments. Automated cinematic modes. New intelligent flight modes that offer pre-programmed flight paths to create stunning cinematic shots with minimal manual input. Design tweaks and build quality. While the Mavic 4 Pro maintains a similar design language to its predecessors, leaks suggest subtle refinements to its aerodynamics and build quality. The drone's chassis appears slightly more robust, possibly hinting at better heat dissipation and improved durability. The circular camera module seen in the leaked video suggests that DJI may have rethought the layout of its sensors, potentially leading to better stabilization and weight distribution. A sleeker, more refined design could contribute to quieter operation and improved maneuverability in flight. Expected release date and pricing. Despite the increasing frequency of leaks, DJI has yet to officially announce the Mavic 4 Pro's release date. However, given the volume of information surfacing online, it's reasonable to speculate that the official launch is drawing near, possibly within the next few months. As for pricing, industry experts predict that the Mavic 4 Pro will fall within a similar range to the Mavic 3 Pro at launch, potentially hovering around the $2,000 to $2,500 mark. This pricing would position it as a premium option for professionals and serious hobbyists seeking top-tier aerial imaging capabilities. Conclusion. With each new leak, anticipation for the DJI Mavic 4 Pro continues to build. The latest beta tester video offers exciting insights into what we can expect, from improved zoom capabilities and vertical video recording to enhanced flight performance and AI-driven features. As DJI fine-tunes the drone ahead of its official launch, the Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be a powerhouse that caters to both professional and casual users alike. Stay tuned for more updates as additional details emerge, and prepare for what could be DJI's most advanced consumer drone yet.